Go ahead and try and move your feet. Really try. Isn't that cool?
That's weird.
Oh my goodness, she's freaking out at the fact that she can't move her feet. This week you're going to see this girl being induced into hypnosis. This is the first video from this young lady, and you're going to see the first skit, and I'm going to explain how to manage when people start to get a bit freaked out about what's happening in hypnosis. It's all about taking control and giving them the control they need. So stay tuned and keep watching. Hi there, my name is Turan Mirza. I'm a hypnotist and clinical hypnotherapist. Every week I show you some street hypnosis and then break down a little aspect of that video in a tutorial fashion after you see the fun street hypnosis. I put time markers in the YouTube videos so you can go straight to the street hypnosis if that's all you really care about. But I do urge you to learn something about hypnosis and to watch through to the tutorial. I really appreciate it, and it gives me a lot of help and support in terms of watch time for my YouTube channel, and it allows people to learn the fun facts about street hypnosis and hypnosis in general. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget click the subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time there's a new video coming out. And if you have any questions about this induction, about hypnosis in general, leave it in the comment section below. I love seeing your comments and answering your comments, and from time to time I'll make a video just for you around the question you ask in the comment section. So do leave a comment in the comment section. But enough of that, let's have the fun stuff. Stay tuned for the tutorial afterwards. Here's the video. Hit record, good stuff. Right, what we do for you, let's see. Put this arm down by your side. No problems with your arms at all? No?
No.
Good stuff. Let that go loose and limp. Even more loose and limp. Even more. That's it. Perfect. Now look at me. Just stare at a spot just underneath my eye. I have a little spot just underneath my eye. Just continue to stare at that spot. As you stare at that spot, let that go loose and limp. And take a deep breath in. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And breathe out. The next time you take a deep breath in, I'm going to say the word sleep. And when I do, your eyes will close, your head will drop down to your chest, but you will remain standing. Isn't that cool? Okay. Just keep looking here. Take a deep breath in. And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. And in a moment, I'm going to drop that hand down by your side, and I drop that hand down by your side. Just go 10 times deeper, 10 times more relaxed. Legs and back supporting you all the time. As you go down even deeper inside, even more relaxed. Letting all the sounds around you, people talking in the background, just to help to absorb you into this wonderful state of hypnosis. Now I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. With every count I count, go even deeper. So 10, going deeper now. 9, even deeper still. 8, so deep, so relaxed. Legs and back support you all the time as you go down even deeper. And by the time I get to the number 1, your unconscious will take it to a place that even I couldn't take it to. So deep, so relaxed that everything I say will become your reality. So 5, even deeper still. 4, so deep, so relaxed. 3, even deeper still. 2, and 1, way down, way down. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you can open your eyes, you'll be back with us, but every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your eyes will close, your head will drop down to your chest, and you'll go 10 times deeper than you are right now. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. How'd that feel?
Like, I don't know, relaxing.
And sleep now, way down, even deeper, even more relaxed. And 1, 2, 3, open your eyes, and sleep now, even deeper, even more relaxed. And the deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, and the more relaxed you feel, the deeper you go. In a minute I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3 you can open your eyes and be back with us, but your feet are going to feel so relaxed, your legs are going to feel so relaxed. It's almost as if you're locked and stuck to that pavement below you. It's like your feet are part of the pavement. It's like you are the pavement slabs. It's like you're glued, cemented, and locked and stuck to that floor. Nod your head that you understand. And the more you try and move those feet, the more you try and move those feet, the more those feet will just lock and stick in position. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Feeling good? Go ahead and try and move your feet. Really try. Isn't that cool?
That's weird.
It's weird, but in a good way.
Yeah.
Really try. Put your hand in my hand, push up, push down. Really try. Cannot move. Look at me. And sleep now. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relaxed. Hi and welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you'll agree she was a great superstar, and that was just the first skit and the induction. So let's break down in a tutorial fashion some aspects of that hypnotic induction. Now that induction took probably 20-30 seconds to perform. I've already released the induction as a quick YouTube short, but I want to give you this tutorial section now. So let's break down that hypnotic induction. It's called the hand pull induction, but as much as it's called the hand pull induction, there's more than just pulling someone's hand and they'll go into hypnosis. There are several steps to that, and the first step is getting eye fixation, so getting them to focus at a point somewhere on you or somewhere nearby, or just even an apple on a tree, something like that there, a light out in the distance, a lamppost, something like that there. Now in this case I just asked them to focus on a freckle on my face, but you can ask them to look into your eyes. That's the old famous way that you see people hypnotizing people, maybe the Little Britain sketches you see here.
Look into my eyes, look into my eyes, the eyes, not around the eyes, don't look around the eyes, look into my eyes, you're under.
And we all know that one. Whatever it is, you get eye fixation. Now it doesn't matter if they drift. You see me during that induction that her focus drifts a bit, and I just draw her attention back to look at me, look at, just focus here. So it doesn't matter if they drift a bit, as long as you're aware of it, as long as you're calibrating her as she's looking around and drawing her attention back to you. The second step to that induction is I'm holding her hand. Now obviously I want to pull her hand at some point, but it's more than just that there. I want to get a level of relaxation so that when I do pull her hand, there's a difference between the short sharp jolt of pulling her hand and the very relaxed state that I'm getting into her. So I'm not just holding her hand for the sake of holding her hand in preparation for giving it a short pull. I'm holding her hand to test the relaxation and get her into that relaxed state. So I'm talking to her, and again, remember the whole induction is only about 20-30 seconds, so it's not about talking for half an hour to build up rapport and make them feel really relaxed. I'm just moving her arm, getting her to focus her attention and chatting to her to the point where she just feels comfortable that this is normal. Of course it's not normal for someone to hold your hand and wave it around, but I'm getting to that stage in her mind. Once I've got that, it's just a matter of giving a very short jolt, a bit of a shock to the nervous system. And even though it looks quite violent, I'm just giving her just this mildest thing. It's often talked about on Facebook and comments and other videos about people ripping arms out of their socket. You don't want to yank where you actually see even the shoulder moving. I just want to get that hand like that there. It's just a little jolt. If you even do it on yourself right now as I'm doing it, just hold your wrist and just do that there. It looks quite violent because my my muscles, my relaxed muscles sort of wobbling there, my arms are wobbling, but it's enough to, what happened there? So in the middle of a focused attention and relaxed mood, I'm giving that little jolt, and that can be enough to put someone into that hypnotic state. Now we don't know until we do the deepeners around dropping her down into a deeper state and reinforcing that level of hypnosis, and then I'm testing through a suggestion such as your feet are stuck to the floor. So until you know that they've accepted a suggestion, I always say this, people say, how do you know when someone's in hypnosis? How do you know when someone's not in hypnosis? Again, that's a popular thing people ask in the comments. You don't know until you're testing, because the hypnosis is happening very much inside. And again, unlike the Hollywood movies, I'm not probing inside someone's mind, so I don't know what they're thinking, what's going on in their mind. I'm trusting in a good process that I know will take them to that state where they can connect and accept the suggestions. But I've got to give a suggestion and test to see, was it accepted? We move on, I do the foot stick, and it works perfectly. Now it works to the point where she's freaking out. Oh my goodness, I don't want this. Now, as she's saying, this is weird or whatever, I'm saying, but weird in a good way. It's fun, it's exciting. So that is not just me panicking, going, oh my goodness, is it bad? Is it exciting? I don't know. I'm giving a very direct suggestion to her, saying, but it's fun, isn't it? It's exciting. So that's how you make sure that if someone starts to panic in any way, you reassure them, that feeling is just fun, it's exciting. You calm them down, you stay calm. You didn't see me panicking, oh my goodness, she's freaking out here. I stay calm, I stay in control, and convey that control to her that, it's good, isn't it? And she says, yeah, it is good. So getting that feedback gives you that confidence, because it's not just about her saying, yes, it's good to me. When she says, yes, it's good to me, it's allowing her internal dialogue, her inner self, to listen to that, her unconscious mind, and go, okay, this is good. So asking her to verify that is very important. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I hope you enjoyed the breakdown of the induction and the discussion around how to recover and make sure someone feels calm and in control in hypnosis. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click the subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time there's a new video coming out from myself. Please do leave me a comment in the comment section below. I love reading your comments, and I want to make sure your questions are answered. So if you've seen something in this video or any of the videos, leave a comment in the comment section below and ask me your questions. In the meantime, thanks very much for watching. I'll leave you with this video coming up next. Please click on it and watch it. That's last week's video where a girl just didn't do what I wanted her to do, and how do you recover from that situation. Watch that one and enjoy. See you next week.